Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to set up SDL2 in code blocks. So you open up your code blocks application, then click on create a new project, right? You can scroll down. So let's look for SDL2. So click on SDL2, click go, next. So let's call this a startup project, right? So startup project. All right, you click next, then you choose the location of SDL2. So before you could do this, you will need to download SDL2, and as you can see, I've already downloaded SDL2. So if you want to download SDL2, you can click the link in my description to download it. So click next, GNU/GCC compiler, and finish. Now sources. Now I'm not going to show you how to code in C++. I'm just showing you how to set up SDL2. Now, alright, so I'm just showing you how to set up SDL2 in code blocks. So you click on the build button, right? So that's building. Okay, it's going to take some time. Then open it again. Then click on the release button. Go here, click release. Then click on build. Also take some time. Yeah, then it's done. Now one thing you have to do is to go into your SDL2 library. There you go to bin. Then you copy the SDL2 DLL files over here. So we'll copy it. Right. Now let's go back, and you go to your project file, go to its bin, debug, then you paste the DLL files over here. Go to release, you paste the DLL files over here. Now let's build this again, make sure it's working. Go to debug, build it, make sure it's working. Now let's build and run. As you can see, it's working. It's a box that can be moved with my arrow keys on my keyboard. Yeah, so there you have it, SDL2 setup. Thank you for watching.